Ngatho cia mwanya nĩ gucoka ndirehoka nĩ ũrathi na mbere wega na ngĩkorwo nĩ rita rĩaku rĩa mbere gucemania na page ĩno karibu sana na make sure nĩ ũra subscribe. Tũraria ndeto cia radio presenter na bado comedian Jimmie Kajim. Jimmie Kajim arauga people should stop pretending ati Ihiko iraharagana nĩ ũndũ wa andũ gũkorwo na mĩbango ya kando. As we know, Jimmie Kajim is a married man to one beautiful wife wetagwo Wambui Jimmie. Jimmie arauga gukorwo na ndogo cia kando ihiko-ini is not the only reason andu maratiganiria ihiko, akiuga andu kuhenania gutari na gitumi na gukorwo makiaga mibango ya mbeca hamwe na portray image cia maheni ni itumi imwe ira korwo ikiharagania ihiko na gwa kahinda ni tukoretwo tugi complain ni undu wa ndigano iria ikoretwo ko andu marahikania but within a short time ni matigana. Na Jimmie Kajim arauga cheating and infidelity it's not the big picture ya andu marakorwo magitigana ihiko-ini, kwina maundu mangi maingi maratuma andu makorwo magitigana. The radio presenter akoretwo kihiko-ini in a while and not to get in a position ya kwaria a few things concerning marriage. Ndiwe kana no thikiriria Jimmie Kajim na wamuthikiriria waigua atia na kana woratua cira waku atia. Athie na mbere kuga kwaga kuiguithaniria maundu megie sex muno kihiko-ini is another challenge, hamwe na andu gukorwo mari very responsible na gukorwo magitumira dawa cia kulefia na kwaga githomo na nginyagia maundu ma wagi wa mbeca. Akauga maundu macio ni maundu marakorwo makiharagania ihiko muno besides maundu megie cheating na infidelity. Ndiwe kana we ni wetikite ati kwaga sex compatibility no gukorwo ugitigithania kihiko kana no mukorwo we kihiko gikiaga cama. Personally ni ndiretikaniria na Jimmie Kajim liba no ni gukorwo kihiko-ini even in relationships maundu ta wagi wa mbeca nginya maundu megie sex ni maundu magukorwo makirehe we ndigano in relationships na ndĩreciria ni conversation njega yagirire gukorwo igithie na mbere mostly kuri ithue mbeu njethi turaingira ihiko-ini turi very clueless. Ino niyo yuma ndumiriri ya Jimmie Kajim akauga can we stop acting like cheating and infidelity are the only reasons why relationships don't work out. Let's talk about lying for no reason, mishandling money, portraying yourself to be something you're not, being irresponsible, attitude, not being sexually compatible, having drug habits, parenting or lack of lack of education, lack of financial stability, and the list goes on and on. Breakups are not always about cheating. Do you agree? Go together how tuonane in our next video. Thie na bere na go subscribe.
Goko nigwa Gikuyu Community News. Make sure no subscribe niguo kamenya gwatinda atia, gwakia atia na gwatuka atia.